If you're looking for an easier way to create stunning presentations using AI, well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to walk you through Presenti AI, a powerful tool that helps you generate professional slides in minutes, even if you have a zero design experience. We will cover everything from setting up your account, creating your first presentation, and exploring the key features that make this tool perfect for beginners. And if you want to try Presenti AI for yourself, make sure to check out the affiliate link in the description below. It really helps support the channel and it gives you access to the tool right away. So, if you are ready to save time and level up your presentations, let's begin. Presenti AI is an AI-powered tool designed to help people create presentations quickly and easily. At its core, it uses artificial intelligence to turn simple inputs like a topic, outline, or text into fully structured slide decks. So it can auto-generate slides from a prompt or topic. It can create content, headings, and bullet points. It suggests or adds designs, layouts, and visuals, and can sometimes include images or speaker notes. Many people use it to save time compared to building slides manually because it helps with idea generation and structure, which is useful for students, teachers, professionals, and even content creators just like you and me. Right now, creating powerful presentations just got easier and smarter. Because here's the best part. They currently offering up to 60% off on their Pro plan. As you may notice that Presenti gives you all these plans and pricing depending on your business needs and of course your goals and your budget. Whether you're just getting started or scaling your workflow, Presenti has a plan for you. The free plan is perfect for beginners because you can create until 15 slides per file. And of course, if you want to scale up, you might want to go to the Plus plan because you have to get to have all these perks and benefits. The Pro plan is where things get serious because you get to have all these. And yes, that's where you save up to 60% here. And of course, the Ultra plan is gonna be ideal for power users who need more all these. But what you can do for now is start free, upgrade anytime, no surprise fee, just smarter presentations. All I have to do is provide all the information needed here. And to make the account creation faster, you can sign up with the following accounts with your Slack, Microsoft, and with Naver. And then all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. And just like that, you will be forwarded to the welcome page of Presenti AI. Now, if you want to invite users, you can do that. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. And then boom, you would easily notice that the platform is very straightforward, it's clean, it's intuitive. Let me walk you through the amazing tools and features of Presenti. In the top right corner, click your profile icon because with this, you can switch to dark mode if you prefer a sleeker, more professional looking dashboard. Now hover on the left side panel. You see that the homepage is gonna be your main dashboard. This is where you see your recent presentations. You can start a new project, get a quick access to templates or AI tools. Basically, this is where you start whenever you log in to Presenti. And then the My Files is gonna be your personal workspace. It stores all presentations you created or uploaded. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place, but later on, this will be auto-populated when we start creating our first project. The Share With Me section are going to be the files others have given you access to. For example, if you're working in a collaborative environment like I do, we work in a YouTube channel. Some are freelancers, some are creating the graphics, some are doing the voiceovers, others are searching for keywords. So this Presenti has been really helpful for us to collaborate, and especially for group projects and team collaboration for feedback. And then you have the templates. These are pre-designed presentation layouts that saves you time instead of designing everything from scratch. These are categorized from scenes, industry, style, language, size, and color. So it's up to you. And then the team folder gives you the ability to create a new folder from scratch. You can share the folder within the team who can access the files here, or if you want to make it private so you can keep the group's work organized in one place. So I'm going to create our first folder, which is going to be this one. Now the workspace assets are going to be the reusable content across your workspace. Number one is going to be the material library. This is a broader collection of resources. If you want to upload images, audio, video, and SVGs for quick use in your slides, you can do that. Click the upload button. Once you have successfully uploaded your material library, we're going to go to the brand templates. These are custom templates assigned and aligned with your brand. If you want to create a new template, you can do that easily here in Presenti. All I have to do is click that button. It will generate a slide example for you to choose from. These are preset layouts with your company style. So you can choose from any of the following and save and publish. But for now, I am going to skip this because I'm going to show you the brand fonts. The brand fonts ensures consistent branding across presentations. If you want to upload your font, you can do that because the fonts keeps typography consistent, usually locked or standardized for the whole team. And then the brand color is going to be your brand's color palette. These are predefined colors for backgrounds, text, and accents. Now it helps maintain visual identity by choosing the right color for you. You can choose from light or dark. It's up to you. Click the save button. This is going to be now the default brand color. After that, we are going back to the main homepage because we will show you how Presenti AI works. All I have to do is describe what you want to generate. For example, let's say I'm going to create a presentation using Presenti AI, and then here you can choose from different models. You can choose from a fast, expert, okay, or if you want to create 1 slide, 2 slides, 3 until 15. Remember, here in Presenti AI, every time you generate content, it takes you credits. Right now, by default, when you create your account here, you will get 1,000 credits. And if you are mindful of the credits, you might want to make sure to only generate slides if you need to. So I am not going to create 15 slides. Instead, I am going to create maybe 2 slides or 3 just to make sure that we have enough slides to check into. And then for the language, you can choose from English, India, Japanese, it's up to you. Now, if you wanted to auto-select a model, if you don't want to use a Gemini 2.5 Pro, GPT 5.1, GPT 5 Mini, it's up to you. But for now, I'm going to choose the auto and then press the arrow button. What will happen is it will create a slide depending on your prompt. Now, the loading times may vary, of course, depending on the complexity of your prompt. At this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the loading times. Now, you have the headings, okay? It generates slides with content and formatting. You can edit and customize as needed. You can add slide with AI, add content slide, or add section slide. It's up to you. But the next thing is we need to select the theme, which is going to be one of the creative inputs here in Presenti AI. Now you have subsections. You can explore, history, favorites, my designs, and we're going to click the explore for now. You can choose the best template that best reflect your brand and identity. There's basically so much template to choose from, all right? Okay, so let's say I am going to use this one that says competitive landscape overview. If you click on it, you see you have more controls on the right side. You can also create a theme match or a custom AI image if you want. You can simply describe the scene, mood, and if you want to have a content density like concise, standard, detailed, it's up to you. But the detailed and custom AI image requires you to upgrade to the premium plan. You see that it requires 300 credits and the default credits upon account creation is only 1000, so you need to be mindful of that. Now, for the audience, you can enter your target audience, which is kind of optional. And the tone, you can describe with the desired tone. Is it like professional, technical, humorous, inspirational? It's up to you. And if you want to display page numbers, which I am going to do that, of course, let's click the generate button now. This may take a little while, and then once you've done that, boom, the content has been easily generated here. Now you are on the page editor. On the top corner, these are the tools at your disposal. Number one is going to be the text. If you want to add a custom text, you can do that. For example, a PPT title right here. All I have to do is paste that. And then this is essentially helpful if you want to customize the font, alignment, and core for explaining the ideas in slides. And then if you want to add a table, which you can organize data into rows and columns, which is kind of helpful if you want for, let's say, I'm going to insert multiple tables here. Let's say 6 by 9 or 69. This is helpful really if you want to compare, schedule, or structured information. You can style cells if you want. You can drag it here, which makes the data easier to read than plain text. If you click this by accident, all you have to do is right click on it and click the delete button. It's simple. Go back again here, okay? And then the next is going to be the chart. I am going to choose a chart that can turn my data into visual graphs. So you can choose from a line chart, bar, pie chart, scatter chart, funnel. It's up to you. Now, all I have to do is add this to Canvas. This is useful for showing trends, percentage, or comparisons, making presentations more engaging and easier to understand. Remember, each time you create elements here, and if you want to delete that, it's okay. Right click each time and click the delete button. And then after that is going to be the image. The image adds visuals to your slides. You can upload your own images or use the built-in AI generated ones. You see, these are going to be some of the stock images that you can use from Pixel and Pixabay. You can choose from a city, scenery. Basically, there is a lot of options. And the image theme, let's say if you want to use an education, which is I am going to choose since this is a tutorial on how to use Presenti AI. And then for the material library, since we opted our images here, now you can reuse all the image here. It's super simple. Once the image has been added, you can resize. It's up to you. All right. I'm going to put it here for now. I'm not going to make it cluttered. And then after the image is the auto layout. The auto layout automatically arranges elements on the slide. You see that there are small drop-down menu, equal height or square, like horizontal, center. It's up to you. You can confirm, insert table, insert chart. Basically, there's a lot of options that you can do to save your time designing layouts manually and keeping the slides clean and professional looking. After that is going to be the asset. The asset is essentially a library of reusable design elements. You have emojis, icons, illustrations, sticker, templates, background, gallery, and of course, the image theme that we have used is going to be the education. So with this, it essentially helps and speed up the content creation. The media embeds dynamic content like videos, audio clips, or animation. Of course, you can upload your audio or video, and remember, we have the material library if you want to upload one, which makes the presentations more active and useful for demonstrations and storytelling. The shapes are here to add geometric elements like rectangle, line, basic shape, arrow, annotation, which is useful for, let's say, we're going to create this one. This is useful for diagrams, highlights, or design accents. It can be stylized, of course, with different colors, borders, and effects. And then the formula, you can basically insert mathematical expressions, physics, and chemistry. It supports equations, symbols, math, Greek, other, which keeps the formulas clean and readable. For example, a two variable equation, click on the insert button, and of course, you can paste it anywhere on your slide. You can reposition if you want, and of course, you can edit. And if you want to lock this to prevent others from deleting it or editing it accidentally, you can do that. But if you want to delete that, it's also okay. Now, the last tool here is going to be the mind map. The mind map creates a visual idea diagrams. For example, we're going to choose this one. This idea is connected to the equation, okay? Right here, which is really great for brainstorming or explaining processes, helping simplify complex topics. Now, once you have checked all the slides that they are in unison and you feel that it's time for you to share this, to collaborate or present with your team, you will notice that you can share this anyone with the link, or if you want to give access and permissions, you can do that. You can opt for the password protect and open in full screen if you feel that you wanted to preview the specific graphic that you have created. All right, you can control permissions, which is useful for a teamwork like us or remote presentations if you want to share this to your client. And then the export button is going to be your option to download or your output presentation. You have the file format, which is going to be PowerPoint. If you want to export this as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, it's up to you. Now, for export range, you can choose a single slide, or if you want to choose a certain slide or all of them, you can do so. For the font settings, you can embed font or without font, it's okay. Once you've done that, you can simply export all of these. It may take 1 to 3 minutes to export them all. All right, depending on the complexity or how many graphics or elements are there on your slides. After that is going to be the upgrade button. Remember, since we are using the free plan, our tools and features are quite limited. Upgrading your plan unlocks the full potential of Presenti AI. Imagine having access to advanced tools that helps you create smarter, faster, and more professional results. With an upgraded plan, you get faster processing speed, access to premium AI features, higher usage limits. Because remember, each time you generate content here in Presenti AI, it takes credits. And of course, you have better accuracy and performance. You have a priority support when you need help. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator like me, upgrading means saving time, improving quality, and staying ahead. This is exactly what you need. So don't let limitations hold you back. Upgrade your Presenti AI plan today. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below and experience the difference. Unlock more, do more, be more with Presenti AI Premium. All right, that brings us to the end of this beginner's tutorial on Presenti AI. If you have been following along, you've seen just how easy it is to create clean, professional presentations using AI without spending hours designing slides from scratch. Whether you're a student, content creator, or professional, Presenti AI can seriously speed up your workflow. Presenti AI is a solid tool for beginners. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful for generating presentations with minimal effort. While it may not replace advanced design tools completely, it's perfect if you want something quick, efficient, and beginner-friendly. If you want to try it for yourself, check out our affiliate link in the description below and start creating your own AI-powered presentations today. And remember, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.